Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So we're going to start off with the setup, and to get started with it, all you need to do is pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down in here once again in these toggles, and this will extend the list of them. And one of those toggles should be a hotspot toggle, which I believe actually, can quickly check. Yeah, it was visible right here. So once you see this toggle hotspot, if you're doing this the first time around, which obviously we're doing the setup, so you probably are, you want to hold it. This will then take you to the settings, where you want to select hotspot settings and then select your password. By default, it will be randomly generated. As you can see, it's just a random mess of, well, a single number and just letters. So I recommend removing it and setting up your own password. That will be probably a little bit easier for you to remember. I'll be making a very simple one, 1 through 8. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. And that's really the only thing that I recommend changing. The rest of these settings are set pretty okay. By default, they will just work with any kind of device that you try to connect to it, as long as it can connect to network. And also your name of the Wi-Fi that you will be looking for will be the name of your device, which you can see right here. Anyway, we're going to click on the check mark to save our changes, and now we can turn on our hotspot by simply tapping on the toggle. And from here, you can connect your hotspot with any other device. Now, that being said, hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, I recommend turning it off by tapping on the toggle once again. Otherwise, it will be just running in the background indefinitely and consuming more battery. So yeah, I recommend just turning it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.